Hello, you forget me as a warrior. Me help myself. Me an invalid.
So, not like a friend, no man friend that help you?
We want to find out, eh? Talk straight. Talk straight to me. We want to know.
The other day when I come in your house, I never said to you, but the conversation with me and Abby, you feel weird and you never invite me inside. So, yeah, I wonder if you have a man at your home.
Oh, that day there. Yeah, me have a little friend, you know. Yeah, mommy have a little friend inside, you know. Man.
And that's why you're most nervous. So why you never ever meet him?
It not reach just yet, baby love. Me have to know, say, yeah, things strong before me make my nice big daughter meet him.
Oh, I'm glad to say that because me that worry, me that think all different things.
How kind of things like what?
Honestly, mommy, the truth is, me don't want to go back in that life there.
Which life you talk about?
The scamming thing.
Tonya, listen to. Shh.
Mommy, tell us somebody inside.
Hey, me learn from my mistakes, you know. I mean, don't promise you, so I'm out of the life. And let me tell you something. You see, if anybody for me in another life there, me done. He said, you go in our life there. Me done with you. Me done.
Alright, mommy, I'm sorry. I just want to make sure say anything you can talk to me about it.
Tonya, you don't have to worry about me. I'll come back in your life. Alright? Me have the medical tour business. And I love it and it's a work. So you don't have nothing to worry about. Alright?
Alright. I'm really glad to you do that. I feel much better now. Yes, Bubbles?
Oh, with that Auntie Bubbles!
Yeah, she there here right beside of me. Yeah, she come look for me and she carry grocery for me too. I have to remind her say me have a shop.
Bubbles, me tell her that I don't care. Alright? I just want to make sure she's alright. I hope you're alright to Miss Bubbles.
Yeah, she got there here look a bit. Yeah, Karim gone to supermarket. The house I got full.
Food can't too much, you stay there.
Alright, Bubbles, later. I hope your place alright, you know? Alright, bye.
So how Karim goes now do now?
He might do alright. Him alright. Come and me introduce you to him.
Him good looking? Like them young.
Maureen, no you see how somebody in your life.
A joke me I make, man. I can't take joke.
Come, I'm gonna check your phone. Come. Quick. You can talk?